The StudioLive 64S has powerful 32 XLR inputs. It's a combo channel, as well as the mono, the left and the right as well. You have your 16 flex mixers, that's the aux output. You have your monitor out, a stereo. You have your stereo input jacks, and you also have your stereo RCA as well. When you move to the top, you have your AES out, you have your network audio, you have your control, you have your USB. We'll go into much details another time in the next video. Yes, probably. And then you have your power as well. This is a beast on its own. Switching on the StudioLive 64S is quite simple. You just push on the button and you are good to go. Once the system is on, it will take a while to load. I'll avoid this video because I don't want this to be too long. Our system is finally on. Now let's move straight to powering it off. To power it off, you click on the home button on the screen, you select the soft power, then you confirm power off. You just have to wait a little while for the system to save your settings. Once it's done, it will tell you it's now safe to power off your mixer. At this point, you just switch off the button at the back and you pack up your system. One of the most important checks to do is your speakers. You have to make sure your speakers are off. I'm using a studio monitor which is already off for this video. So first, you're going to insert my microphone into my channel 1. I'm going to use the channel 1 for this video. So my microphone inserted into my channel 1. Then I connect my speakers, my left and my right speakers. Once every connection is done and I'm sure my speakers are off by cross-checking, I now am able to turn on my mixer and wait for the mixer to turn on. It takes a little while, so I'll speed it up a little to make sure I don't waste much time. Just a quick session. So that's how to connect your inputs and your outputs to your mixer. Always remember that your speaker should be off. This is applied to every mixer. See you in the next video.